It's really nice to customize your iPhone using pretty cool widgets and dynamic wallpaper. But do you know that you can take the customization to the next level by showing your name on your iPhone lock screen? Yeah, you got that right. It's possible to add your name to the lock screen for a more personalized experience. If this tip sounds fascinating to you, follow along to learn how it's done. First off, I'm going to show you how to use focus mode to add your name to the lock screen on your iPhone. Notably, you can use the focus mode to display your name on the lock screen. For those unfamiliar, it is designed to let you concentrate on your task by keeping unnecessary alerts and phone calls at a fair distance. To get going, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then select Focus. After that, tap on the plus button at the top right corner of the screen. Then select the custom option and then enter your name. Now if you want to add a bit of fun to the mix, you can select from a variety of icons. And once you have added your name, you have to tap on the next button. Then tap on the customize focus button. As we are going to use this mode just for the lock screen customization, we will not fine-tune it to silence alerts or anything of that kind. So just tap on the back button at the top left to get after the Settings app. Now you have to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center on your iPhone and then hit the focus mode icon. Now you have to tap on your name to activate this focus mode. Then you have to press the side button to bring up the lock screen. And voila, your name will start showing at the bottom of the lock screen. Later, if you ever want to remove your name from the lock screen, just bring up the control center and then hit the focus mode. After that, you have to tap on your name to turn off the focus profile. Then I'm going to show you how to use any text widget to show your name on your iPhone lock screen. If you want to display your name in the widget panel of your iPhone lock screen, I would recommend you to try a widget app called AnyText. The app is available for free and works like a charm in letting you display any text on the lock screen on your iPhone. To get going, you have to open the App Store app on your iPhone. Then you have to search for AnyText and then install it. After that, you have to open the app and then create a text widget. Simply type in your name and then quit the app. Then you have to press your iPhone side button to trigger the lock screen. And then you have to authenticate and long press on the screen. After that, tap on the Customize button and then choose the lock screen option. Then you have to tap on the widget panel. And after that, you have to find the AnyText icon and select it. And then you have to choose the preferred widget size and then hit the X button to get rid of the widget menu. And finally, tap on the Done button at the top right and you are all set. And now take a look, your name is showing on the lock screen. Pretty cool, isn't it? Later, if you ever want to remove your name, just head over to the same lock screen customization setting and then make the needed changes as per your needs. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and happy. Bye-bye.